Gotcha, bitch!
Hello guys, today I'm gonna be showing you how to make YouTube intros. So what you want to do is you want to go over to Panzoid. It is for free. Just make sure that you give credit to the people because it's the least that you can do, right? So you go over here to Panzoid, go to Clip Maker, and then you basically have all these. Well, it's more. So you have a whole ton, and you just see whatever you like. They have intros, they have outros, so just see whatever you like. Yeah, they have a whole lot. Like this one is the outro. You could also make one yourself, but that's pretty complicated, so you could just basically use anyone. You have all type. So anyways, let me just pick one. Which one? I don't know. Let me do this one or whatever. Click open in Clip Maker, and then you also have the all type of other stuff. So if you don't like this one, click on this. So this is how it looks, and then if you want to see how it looks when you complete it, it won't say name because you'll put your name in it. So basically what you want to go is go to objects, click here, title, and okay, anyways, right? So let's just say that's your name, right? Funny dude or whatever your YouTube name is, right? So now what you want to do is click here. Let me go to the beginning. What you want to do is click here, make sure the eyeball is red so you could see how it would look when you finish, and you just click on play. And that's how it would look. Okay, that's super spaced out. I don't know. You could also change the text to get the drippy, which is blood. You could also move the yep. So you could move this. Wait, okay. So you can move this too. You could do it further back. Move all of this. You could also change the background. Can you? Go to scene. Click outdoor. Cloudy rays. Sunset. Render. So that's that. You could make it into space. And you have a lot, you know, with underground. And yeah. You could also make your own. Just go in effects. You could copy it, click here to duplicate. You could also add your own music, audio, click select, and then whatever music you like, you could do it. You could do the fade in and fade out. This a fade in, this a fade out. But if you like the music, if you like everything, then you could just leave it like this. You could change this to it to a single color, wood, image, whatever, right? You could also change. Okay, yeah, you get it. You could change a lot. Right. So if you like this, you can go down to download, click on this one because it could be easier. You click on that, and then you click on render. Once you and another thing, basics, bang. Okay, so you see that it's a 13. I would scale this down to about 9 because nobody likes a long intro. make videos in 4K, you could do 4K. If you make it in 2K, you can do it in 2K, 480p, whatever you do regular videos on, you could do it on that. So you get, so I do videos in 1080p, so you can do 1080p. You could do 60 or 30, it don't really matter. You do 60 frames, you could do 30 frames, it really don't matter. So basically, you don't want a long intro because you get annoyed your viewers, and then they could dislike it, or they could just skip it altogether. So a short intro, good channel. Shouldn't be no longer than 8 seconds. 8 seconds, 5 seconds. I'm gonna do like 6. See how that look. Good. Okay. So I can click render. Then this will do. It'll be calculating, and then the shorter the video, I think the shorter it is to render. That's one next thing why you want a short video. You want it to render very shortly. Just use Widbot, right? So once you then click on download, and then it should okay. Then it download the 3. Okay, see it here. So click here. So now let's short whatever. If you want to crop it, you could crop it. If you want to add something, you could add something. Whatever you want to do, you could do. They want you to finish adding it, cropping it, you know, doing whatever you feel like doing here. I think you could do this with Adobe Illustrator and Adobe products too. Save project as, click here, MP4, and then name it to whatever you feel like naming it, right? So let's do it as, right? Click save, and then you could just keep this to custom. You could just basically leave it, or you could change it, don't matter. So you could change it if you feel like doing it. I'm not gonna do it, just leave it. It don't make a difference. And then once it's finished, you could go to videos and to wherever it is, and then click here. So that was nice, easy, and free, and no watermarks. If this was helpful to you, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.
Bye. Have a beautiful time.